And this is a quick bonus chapter in this online course. I will show you how to create your own logo, and we will be using canva.com for this. You will find the link down in the description. It's also a partner link, so make sure you click it because it will give you a free trial on the Pro plan. And you do kind of need the Pro plan for what we're going to do, because the Pro plan allows you to remove the background and you have transparent backgrounds. And that's kind of what we need for the logo, because we want our website to shine through the logo. So yeah, just trust me on this one. Use the link down below. It's a partner link, and then click on it and then choose the Canva Pro trial, start the free trial, and then don't forget to cancel after this course. But we need the option to have a transparent background, and it will give you also all the icons we might need. So let's click on it and see how it looks inside. So this is Canva once you've signed up, and I already typed in logo and computer because I'm doing website tutorials. And the deal with Canva is it will give you a lot of different templates you can use for your tutorials. So this is quite nice. You have all these different logos. Just type in whatever website you want to do. For example, if you want to do a yoga logo, then it will give you a lot of different logos for yoga. So, and they look pretty cool. I think this one looks amazing, and you can just make it your own. So let me go back to computer, logo for computer, and to show you how easy it is to edit the logo, I choose this one and then click customize this template, and it will bring me to the editor of Canva. And here you can just select every item and move it around, pretty much as we did in Wix. And then I can make it a little bit smaller. I move this up and change the alignment to left, type in my name, make it a little bit bigger and a little bit smaller so it fits. And then I place this one here, change the alignment, say software tutorials, and delete this one with a backspace. And I also delete the background because I don't need that, even though it's pretty. Move it a little bit down. And now the last part is I need to change the color. So I go back to our website and I will select the text element and then just select the hex color code here. Go back to Canva, and now I can select the text, this one and this one at the same time. Then here, click on add a new color, and I can type in a hashtag and add my code. And now I have the same yellow as I have on my website, and I will do the same with the icons. Just select each one, change it to the yellow, change it to the yellow. Now, I don't know if you have noticed, this was a minute or two and I have designed my own logo, and it didn't take me longer than that. So I think that's a very powerful tool. I know people who spend ages on creating their own logo. That's why I want to recommend you this software, because it's pretty cool how quick you can do your own logo. And if you are not too familiar with design and this even seemed too complicated for you, I can also recommend you Fiverr. I will also link down the partner link down in the description. Make sure you click it. And here, Fiverr is a platform for logo designers, and you can just type in logo, and here you will find professional designers creating logos for you. And of course, those look a little bit more complex. For example, here, fisherman, and yeah, you can't do that with Canva. This needs some design skills. Yeah, and if you want these kind of logos and a little bit more professional looking logos like this one, you can always hire someone. It starts at, I don't know, 10 to 15 euros here or dollars, and goes up to, I don't know, 300 to 400 euros, depending on the designer you want to get for your logo. Yeah, this is another option, but since we are just starting, I would really recommend you doing it with Canva and go with this one. And later on, if the website is super successful, you can always change your logo again. Yeah, one thing before we download the logo, just duplicate this side, get rid of the text and make your icon bigger, because we need a favicon later. And the fav icon or favicon, I actually don't know how it's pronounced. This is the icon up here. So for example, Canva has a blue circle with a C in it. For my own personal website, I just took a picture of me. But you can see all these icons, and these are called favicons, and I will show you how to add them later. And now we can download the logo. And this is the part where you need the Pro version if you want to have it with a transparent background, because here this is premium feature. If you don't have it and you just signed up for free, you can always choose a white background and put it on a white header, or a green background as we have and put it on the green header. But I like to keep this transparent, and then I just select the first thing here and just download this one. And I can go back to our site and go ahead and delete this text here in the header. And now I add an element. I can go an image and upload my own image. And then I just select my logo. So now it's uploading my logo. Yeah, before we add this, because it's squared, I want to crop it. So I can crop this here within Wix directly, which is pretty cool. And click save. And now I can add this to the page and make it a little bit smaller, of course, and then place it here. And maybe I move the menu here and the logo down there and make it a little bit bigger. And place it here and make this part a little bit smaller. And voila, we already have our own logo.